आज हम बनाएंगे एक छोटा सा कार्ड जो कि हम कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हैं और ये हम दे सकते हैं काफ़ी फेस्टिवल्स पे एंड at any occasion we can give irrespective of the occasion. So let's make it. It is very simple to make. One advantage is it is easily available and this page is easily available and ये पेज जो है इसको बस हमें कट करना है. डायमेंशंस कोई नहीं है इसके. डायमेंशंस हम एज अ फ्री डायमेंशंस रखेंगे और इसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे बड़े अफोर्डेबल एंटिटीज़ ज़्यादा जिसमें एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं है जो. तो चलो इसको हम काटते हैं. सो वी विल गोइंग टू कट इट इन अ सर्कल. सो यू कैन टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ एनी सर्कुलर प्रोडक्ट टू मार्क आउट द लाइन्स, but I will go with the flow and I will cut a random circle, no matter how big or small the circle should be. So I will keep it a medium size circle. So let us cut a circle out of this white plain sheet. So don't worry about the roughness of the cutting because we will going to provide it the final cutting. So now see the second advantage, we can see that the other portion of the sheet is still reusable. So let us now work with this only. So we will going to make it fine. So keep on cutting it with a pair of scissors until and unless you will get a fine circle. So the thickness of the paper needs not to be so much thick or thin. So now after having this circle with us, we will going to paste some amazing stickers on it. So it depends upon the theme that you are keeping, the color theme. So for now I am taking the color theme as dark blue. You can just, what you can do is you can repeat the same step with some other color. Okay, so here I have a rough piece of ribbon, so don't forget to cut it ends so that it will look neat and tidy. So you can accordingly measure the circle diameter and you can accordingly cut from that. Okay, you can place it here. You can see whether it is coming. Yes. Then we will now going to add some decorations into it. So I am taking the dark blue theme, but you can take some other theme as well. Okay, so since I have taken the blue theme, so I will going to take something that is complementing this color. My background is white and this strip is blue. So of course on this strip I need to apply something that is white because that will complement with the ribbon. So something white I will going to choose and I will going to apply it over here. Okay, now this is complementing with the background. Now this is known as the exact artistic work that you can do. You need to apply only these stones that are actually complementing with your ribbon and is exactly same to the background. Now the same for maintaining the symmetry to this artistic work, I need to put a stone here as well so that a symmetry is maintained. You can, and these stones are so handy that you can again paste it them like this if you feel that you have by mistake pasted, and then you need to apply the glue on the back and side. Small tip here, that don't apply too much glue to the ribbon because it will gonna wet the ribbon. And if some sides are going out, then don't worry, cut it down and make it again neat and tidy, because at every step we need to remember one thing, that our work should be neat and tidy even after the completion of our final gift card. So we will going to make it more amazing. So now we know two things now, that which stone needs to be complement with the ribbon, what should be the background. Now I need to apply some good stickers here and here. So let's apply. So here you have a choice now to follow your colors. So I will follow dark pink color. So let's follow the dark pink color. So for that I will apply the dark pink stickers, and I will going to apply some other color sticker here. And again the symmetry that I am saying. If you don't know about symmetry, then don't worry. Symmetry is nothing but we are measuring the amount of stickers that we have applied on the right hand side to the amount of stickers that we have applied on the left hand side. The same goes with the up and down as well. If you will going to divide this art piece into half, then how many stickers or how many products you have applied on the right hand side and how many you have applied on the left hand side. So in this way our card is ready. Now you need to write something here. So here you have the choice to use your own pen colors. So I am using my own pen colors. So you can write the occasion name here. So I have randomly drawn some curly lines because I know that I will be using some other color. So here you need to write the occasion name or the festival name. Okay, so I'm writing here artistic work. For example, you need to use a bold markers, that is okay. You need to use pencil, sketch pen, only the black marker, permanent marker, anything you can use here, okay, in your gift card, and you can gift it. So we have learned today that how to make a symmetric card and how to remember the color complement in our artistic work, and you can hand it over directly. You can give it. So this is all for today. We will meet in the next video with more such creative works. And also till then, subscribe, like and share the channel.